Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your LinkedIn About section using AI outlines, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your LinkedIn account and navigate to your profile page. Locate the About section where your current summary is displayed. Copy the text from your About section by highlighting it and pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and choose an AI writing tool that offers outline generation. Once on the AI tool's homepage, locate the section for generating outlines. Paste your copied About section into the provided text box by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V. Select the option to generate an outline based on your input. Review the generated outline to ensure it reflects your professional background and goals. Make any necessary adjustments to the outline to better suit your vision. Once satisfied with the outline, use it as a guide to craft a new About section. Begin writing your new summary based on the outline, focusing on clarity and professionalism. Incorporate key achievements and skills that highlight your expertise. As you write, keep your target audience in mind to ensure relevance. After drafting your new About section, review it for grammar and flow. Edit any sections that may need refinement for clarity and impact. Once you're happy with the final version, return to your LinkedIn profile. Click on the pencil icon to edit your About section. Paste your newly created summary into the text box. Finally, save the changes to update your profile with the new About section. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.